The Fox and the Stork. Once there was a clever fox and an innocent stork. They were good friends. But one day, Fox did a prank on the stork. So she invited Stork for lunch. She said, "Can you come tomorrow for lunch at my place?" The Stork agreed quickly. The next day, Stork happily went to her home. From the way of jungle. As he reached her home, Fox simply said, "Hello," and the stork said, "Hi." Fox said, "Come to my home. I had made delicious soup for you." The fox made some delicious soup and served it into 2 shallow bowls. The stork wasn't able to drink the soup because of his long beak. He tried, but he couldn't drink. Then he said bye to the fox, and he said, "Can you come to my place tomorrow for lunch?" Then the stork said to himself, "I must teach this fox a lesson." The fox agreed quickly. The stork went to her home. And the next day, the fox happily went to the stork's home. The stork prepared some soup and served it into 2 long-necked jars. The fox couldn't drink the soup from such a tall jar.